This is the BILT HARD 125,000 BTU forced air propane heater, a rugged mobile torpedo-style heater designed for large job sites or garage heating. It delivers up to 125,000 BTUs, enough to warm approximately 3,125 square feet. Features include electronic ignition, overheat auto shut-off, adjustable heat angle, and CSA listing. Check the link in the description below to get the most updated price in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale. What makes this product a smarter choice? Number 1. Variable 75,000 to 125,000 BTU output. This forced air propane heater provides 75,000 to 125,000 BTUs while heating an area of 3,125 square feet. The fan-force design distributes heat across a wide area to keep your space warm and comfortable. Adjustable heat angle makes this portable heater a versatile choice. Number 2. Economical, efficient, and clean burning. It runs 5.5 hours on a low setting with a 20 load. Propane tank, not included. Cylinder, 3.5 hours on a high setting. Overheat auto shut-off protection and auto cut-off protection avoid gas leakage. This propane torpedo heater is CSA certified. Number 3. Sturdy construction. With a light, compact design, this torpedo heater provides a versatile solution for heating a variety of spaces. Typical uses include construction sites, patios, factories, sporting events, utility and outbuildings, and farming functions, barns, etc. Number 4. Easy operation. Continuous electronic ignition for simple operation. Just plug the propane heater for the garage into a 120V outlet, hook up the hose and regulator to a 20-pound tank. Propane tank or larger, and you are ready to take the chill out of any job. Recommended to use in a ventilated environment. Number 5. Warranty. BILT HARD propane forced air heater is guaranteed for 1 year. They aim for quality, followed up with quality customer service directly provided by the manufacturer. They offer free exchange for any quality problems within the warranty. And so much more. Thanks for watching. I leave my affiliate links down in the video description below. Click on those links and they'll give you the most updated prices in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale.